Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Week 9 Part 1. Our topic is, Prepare Bread Product. How to knead dough properly. Review of the previous lesson. Directions. Identify the yeast bread shown in each picture. Prepare bread product. How to knead dough properly. What you will use: stand mixer. Mixers can easily overwork dough because they knead continuously and with strong power. Always watch your dough and stop as soon as it's just right. If you've kneaded by hand, you don't need to be too worried about overworked dough. You'll start to notice it getting difficult to manage. It takes a lot off elbow grease to knead bread dough. You'll likely tire yourself out before you can over-knead. Tip: dough should be smooth, slightly tacky, and stretchy. How to knead dough properly. 1. Prepare the dough. Place the dough on a clean, lightly floured work surface. 2. Push the dough away. Use the heel of your hand to push the dough away from you. 3. Fold the dough back. Fold the dough over itself toward you. 5. Turn the dough. Turn the dough a quarter turn. 5. Repeat the process. Push, fold and turn. Repeat these steps consistently. 6. Use steady pressure. Apply firm, even pressure with the heel of your hand, not too hard. 7. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes. Continue until the dough is smooth, elastic, and less sticky. 8. Let it rest. Shape the dough into a ball. Place in a greased bowl, cover and let it rise. How to knead dough properly. Kneading is the process of working dough until it becomes smooth, elastic, and cohesive. Proper kneading develops gluten, giving bread its soft texture. Step 1. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Step 2. Dust your hands with flour and shape the dough into a ball. Step 3. Push the dough away from you using the heels of your palms in a smooth rolling motion. Step 4. Fold the dough over itself, give it a quarter turn, and repeat. Continue this rhythm until the dough becomes smooth and elastic.
Push, fold, and turn. Push, fold, and turn.
Step 5. If the dough becomes sticky, add a little flour as needed. Avoid adding too much, as it can make the bread dense. When properly kneaded, the dough feels smooth, elastic, and springs back when pressed. Now it's ready for its first rise.
It should spring back.
Tips for effective kneading: use the right amount of flour. Add flour gradually to avoid dry dough. Work on a clean, lightly floured surface. Too much flour can make the dough tough. Use your body weight. Let your body do the work. Not just your arms. Be patient and consistent. Good dough takes time and steady kneading. Check the dough, not the clock. Look for smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky dough. Avoid adding too much flour to sticky dough. Keep kneading. Stickiness usually improves. How can you tell if the bread dough is kneaded enough? While you might have your kneading technique down, it can be difficult to know if you've kneaded the dough long enough. There are 3 criteria your dough should meet before you allow it to rest for its first rise. 1. The dough is smooth. Before you knead bread dough, it can look a little sticky and rough. Kneading helps smooth the dough out. Your dough should be ready when it has a nice, smooth texture. 2. The dough springs back. After kneading the dough for several minutes, press it with your finger. If the indentation stays, the dough still needs more work. If it springs back to its original shape, your dough is ready to rest. 3. The dough passes the window pane test. Take a piece of dough and gently stretch it between your fingers. If you can stretch it thin enough to see light through without tearing, the gluten is well developed and your dough is kneaded enough. Remember, kneading times can vary depending on the recipe, flour type, and temperature. Use these 3 signs as your guide to perfectly kneaded dough every time. How can you tell if the dough is over-kneaded? You can tell you've kneaded dough too much if it becomes difficult to stretch. Sometimes this happens when you use a stand mixer or food processor. Over-kneaded dough will be tough and make tough, chewy bread. Signs your dough is over-kneaded, difficult to stretch. The dough resists stretching and tears easily instead of forming a smooth, thin window pane, tough and dry texture. The dough feels stiff, dry and rubbery. It lacks softness and feels hard to the touch, poor bread results. Bread turns out dense, chewy, and has a tight crumb with poor oven spring. How to avoid over-kneading? Watch the dough, not the clock. Use gentle, consistent effort. Know your equipment. If using mixer, knead on low to medium speed and check the dough often. Stop it just right. It's better to stop a little early. Dough will continue to develop during resting and rising. Now it's your turn. Individually, practice your dough kneading skills, following the steps and tips provided. Do your best.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.